Hey YouTubers, came down to the river, this little stream, thought I'd try to catch some catfish. All I've caught is one big soft-shell turtle. Give you a look at the little stream I'm fishing. I was getting ready to start this video a minute ago and the little bell on that thing started tinkling. I think it was another turtle. But wouldn't you know it, come down here to fish and a regular dude and his sidekick Wayne shows up. Wayne just lost his bait and had to walk clear down there to get some more bait. Barge came through here a minute ago. No barge bites. But I got two poles out there. I'll let you know if I catch anything other than a turtle.